The era of spatial computing has been a quiet revolution, but the silence is about to be broken. If you thought the first generation of Apple's spatial computer was impressive, you haven't seen anything yet. We are standing on the precipice of a massive shift in how we interact with the digital world, and rumors emerging from the supply chain are painting a picture of a device that isn't just an upgrade. It is a complete reimagining of the Apple Vision Pro 2. The anticipation is reaching a fever pitch as developers, tech enthusiasts, and industry insiders in Silicon Valley whisper about what is coming next. This isn't just about higher resolution displays or a faster chip. This is about Apple solving the core friction points that kept the original headset from becoming the mainstream companion everyone expected. We are talking about weight reduction that changes everything, a display technology that might make physical monitors obsolete, and an AI-driven interface that learns your intentions before you even act. Imagine waking up, putting on a device that feels as light as a pair of oversized sunglasses, and having your entire workspace materialize in the air around you. No cables, no heavy battery packs pulling at your neck, just a seamless fusion of your physical environment and your digital capabilities. That is the promise of the 2026 update, and the leaks suggest Apple is obsessively focused on that precise user experience. The pivot from a heavy, experimental piece of hardware to a refined, daily driver tool is the narrative arc of the upcoming launch. We are tracking reports that indicate a mid to late 2026 window, specifically targeting the post-WWDC fervor when the software ecosystem is at its most mature. The stakes couldn't be higher. Apple is effectively betting its next decade of revenue on spatial computing, and the second iteration of this hardware is where the mainstream adoption will either be won or lost. Let's talk about the hardware engineering, because this is where the most significant departures from the original model are taking place. The biggest pain point for current users is undeniably the weight and the front-heavy distribution. We have reliable intel suggesting that Apple has fundamentally redesigned the internal cooling system and utilized new, lightweight composite materials to shave off significant grams. By moving the battery internals into a more balanced configuration or introducing a more advanced, high-density cell, the goal is to make the device wearable for hours without fatigue. This isn't just about comfort. It is about cognitive load. When the hardware disappears, the software becomes the reality. This is exactly what Apple is aiming for with the Vision Pro 2. Furthermore, the display technology is set to see a massive leap. We are looking at next-generation Micro-OLED panels that offer higher pixel density and, more importantly, drastically improved brightness levels. One of the biggest criticisms of the current headset is its performance in lower light environments. The 2026 model aims to eliminate the dimness that occasionally plagues mixed reality experiences, providing a vibrant, true-to-life color reproduction that matches the real world with almost zero latency. When you look through those lenses, you won't be looking at a screen, you'll be looking at a window. The optics are also being overhauled to increase the field of view, solving that looking through a tube effect that some users reported. This is about total immersion, and Apple knows that immersion is the killer feature. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the AI integration. With the latest developments in Apple Intelligence, the Vision Pro 2 is expected to be the ultimate testbed for on-device spatial AI. Imagine having a digital twin of your desktop that follows you, not just in your home, but as you move through your day. The device will be able to interpret your gaze and hand gestures with significantly higher precision, using a dedicated neural engine that processes inputs locally, ensuring privacy while maximizing speed. You won't need to manually resize windows or organize your apps. The Spatial OS will handle that for you, predicting which files you need based on your calendar, your location, and your recent project history. It's an interface that feels like an extension of your own mind. We also have to consider the ecosystem play. Why would Apple launch this in 2026? Because by then, the App Store for VisionOS will be packed with professional-grade productivity tools. We are seeing major players in the creative industry, software giants in video editing, 3D modeling, and financial data analysis, investing heavily in native VisionOS apps. The Vision Pro 2 will be marketed not as a toy for early adopters, but as a mandatory tool for the professional workforce. It will be the laptop killer, the monitor killer, and the remote collaboration powerhouse that brings the office to you, wherever you are. For the US market, where remote and hybrid work models are now entrenched, this isn't just a gadget. It's a productivity necessity. The pricing strategy is also a critical part of the puzzle. While the first headset was a pro device in every sense of the word, including the price, the 2026 launch is expected to introduce a tiered system. There are rumors of a standard version alongside the Premium Pro model, designed to capture a wider demographic. Whether this happens or not, the Pro 2 will undoubtedly push the boundaries of what is possible in consumer electronics. This is going to be the most expensive, yet most valuable piece of tech you own. The demand is expected to be unprecedented, and supply chains are reportedly being optimized now to ensure that when it hits shelves, it isn't just a limited-run item, but a global launch. As we look toward the final quarter of 2026, the question isn't whether the Vision Pro 2 will be good. The question is whether it will change the way we live. We're looking at a future where the distinction between digital and physical is blurred, where information is always available at a glance, and where creative collaboration happens in a 3D workspace. The leaks are just the beginning, but they paint a clear picture. Apple is preparing to own the next era of computing. If you're waiting for the right moment to jump into spatial computing, all signs are pointing to 2026. The evolution is here, it is happening, and it is going to be spectacular. Stay tuned, because the next few months are going to be a wild ride of confirmation, speculation, and groundbreaking reveals. This is the future, and we're just getting started.